'cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give.
Okay, to start a scrapbook page, I have clicked the template that I have provided for you. So you're going to click that. Every time you click that template, it's going to open up like this. And you can do this multiple times. It's going to create a copy each and every time that you open up this template. So I'm going to scroll through here and I'm going to see, okay, which one of these designs do I actually want to do? This is an easy one for most students because it only has 2 pictures that you've got to work with. It's not the prettiest though, so just know that. This one right here has a space for 3 pictures, so that's the one I'm going to pick. So for the other pages, I'm going to scroll up, I'm going to hit delete because I don't need to use them anymore. So I'm going to hit delete, delete, delete. I'm going to keep that one. So I'm going to scroll down here, I'm going to hit delete, delete, delete a bunch of times because I have a bunch of options in here that you can use. So, and lots of them are fun. You just got to play around with them and see how they work with your pictures that you choose. But I'm going to just continue hitting delete until I'm done with all of these pages. Okay, so now I've got the page that I want. So now I'm going to go up here in the top right corner and I'm going to name this page just so I can keep up with, what is ultimately going to download. So I'm going to download, I'm going to make this the basketball page. Okay, and so now it's going to be called the basketball page. If I add text to this particular file or this particular design, I'm going to come over here, click text, and I'm going to type on here something, and I'm going to add a text box. Okay, I accidentally added 2 because I wasn't patient. But anyways, I'm going to click over here, and I am going to add this right here. Now I'm going to create a caption. Just click it and hit delete. And I'm going to move that caption where it needs to be. Okay, then I'm going to hit copy. I'm just going to hit Control C for copy, and then I'm going to hit Control V for paste. I don't know why it's V. It's very stupid. Okay, so then I'm going to hit paste again to get 3 captions on here. If I want all of those captions to line up, first I need to lock this layer below all of this. So I'm going to click the lock button right here. I'm going to click the lock button right here. I'm going to click the lock button. Now I can just click right around here and select the 3 captions, but I want to align them. So I'm going to come up here to the right hand side and hit position, and I'm going to make sure that they are spaced evenly horizontally. And I'm just going to tidy them up. So that makes them all in alignment. This is very, very helpful when you are doing the grade pages that are required, or like any of the sports pages where you have to have multiple pictures lined up and they really need to be even with one another. That is what you need to do. So anyways, that is very quick and easy. Now to finish the rest of this design, basically I have to come in here, I have to give the page a title. I'm going to call it basketball, just for purposes of this lesson, or CCA basketball. I might need to make it smaller so it fits on that line. Do that just by reducing my font size right there. And then I might give it a subheading, which a subheading can be like something that's like a tagline or maybe like a catchphrase that you use throughout the year. You know, I don't know. Ballers be ballin' is a good option for that. And then I would come down here and do your Bible verse, whatever Bible verse you've chosen. And then I would give the photo a caption, or all the photos a caption. Now, when I say present tense, that means that it's actively happening. So you need to talk about whatever's in the photo as if it's happening right that moment. So I would say CCA basketball students are dribbling down the court, for instance. And that would be, you know, my photo caption for maybe those 3 photos that I have right there. Now, the next step would be obviously to find the photos that you want to include in here. So you're going to do that by going to your photo dump folder. Hopefully you've got that connected in the Canva, because it really does save a lot of time. You can just click and drag things over. So let me know if you have not done that yet, and I will help you do that in class today. But for this assignment, this is what you needed to turn in, was basically to show me that you know how to put things in alignment. Another option too, just so you can definitely show me that you know this, is to turn on the guides and rulers. And to do that, you go over here to File, and you're going to go to View Settings, and you're going to make sure that all these things right here are turned on, that there is a check mark. And it's basically a toggle switch. You come over here once, you turn it on, then you can come over here again and turn it off, whatever the case may be. Once it's on, you'll see these rulers come on your design. And you can just click into the ruler once and then hold down your mouse button and then drag that down your page. That allows you to make sure that things are lined up evenly. You know, you can see a line go across it and you can clearly see that. That does not get exported or anything like that. So if you want to delete that line, you can just click your mouse kind of near that line until it's highlighted, and then you can just drag it off the page. Just like that. And then now they're not there. But you can also, anytime you're in any design program, just so you know, when you hover over things and they show you these little Shift R, you know, things, or like Control F, these are keyboard shortcuts. And it's basically teaching you, as you're designing, shorter ways to be able to get to the stuff that you typically use more often. So I know like a million keyboard shortcuts, but Control R is the one for rulers, and Control T, or what did it say? Control F is the one for find. So you can actually go and find something in a document, if you will, really universally with the Control F button. So anyways, we have learned a lot today. We've learned about positioning. We've learned about alignment. We've learned about rulers and guides. We've also learned about keyboard shortcuts. So we have covered a great deal in about 5 minutes. Thanks, class. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.